Okay, so we're going to replace these 1986 pickups. I think they're Schallers. They're actually good pickups, but I mangled them about 3 years ago and I haven't got around to fixing the guitar yet. Okay, I'm going to swap it out with these 1962 Fender reissues, and I think they're Alnico 5 magnets. I'm not 100% sure. As you can see, I'm kind of halfway through this already by the time I got the camera rolling. You take them out like this. So desolder the black wire from the volume pot like this. It comes out, and then we take it off the number 2 switch, the white wire, which is here. It should fly away like that, and that's it. So he comes out just like that. Now these little rubber, it's like a rubber band, like collar, came with the Fender pickups, and the springs, or the original. I tried the rubber band type and it's absolutely horrible. It's rubbish. I would avoid it if possible and use the springs. You're going to feed the springs in like this. Push them down. Be careful with the pickups because you don't want to damage them. They're pretty expensive. Like that. So here we have 2 mounted so far. The neck pickup is wired in. Now we're going to solder in the middle pickup. 10-year wire with a little bit of solder, like that. And then stick them down onto the volume pot, just like that. Okay, so he's done. Next, after thinning the white wire, we're just going to bring it down onto the switch, just like that. And that's it. I'm going to wire in the bridge pickup and set them down here. Just like that. The white goes onto the pickup selector switch. Just like that. That noise in the background is the little amplifier I'm monitoring the pickups with. So now I'm going to test each pickup that I have installed. It's working. Okay, so they all seem to be working. Yeah. This switch is knackered. What I've just done is I've changed out these 2 switches with better ones. These little puny switches are gone. The middle one was gone. So that's the middle one. I only had 2, so I stuck one on the bridge as well. And I'll change this at a later date. Okay, so when that's all sorted, you put all the screws back in, and then I'm going to bolt the neck back on. You don't have to take the neck off to change the pickups. I just did that for kicks. No, I wanted to do some other maintenance on the guitar. Okay, so next I put the trim back on, and as I don't use tremolo, I've got these pieces of wood where this is going to be locked down. So you just force them in here like that. I don't use whammy bar at all. And then this goes in the back. Locks it up pretty good. Then you need to put in the other 2 springs. Like that. And that's pretty solid. Next we're going to bolt the neck down like this. Down. Next, start putting the strings back in. And now for the moment of truth.